Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see some job updates from EY, that is Ernst & Young. It is a famous company. So here, there is openings for freshers and experienced candidates. Okay, so for both the categories, there is openings. Okay, so first we are going to see some fresher updates. Then we will be seeing all the jobs present for the India location. There you can find experienced candidate updates also. Okay. So first post name is Associate Analyst RMS Kochi. So Kochi is in Kerala. The location is Kerala is a location. Here they have given the responsibilities of this job. There is a job summary they have given. The date of posting also they have given. The associate analyst within RMS team would be required to develop subject matter expertise on RMS, independent issues, and shall be the first point of contact for customer teams. Okay. Also, they have given the technical responsibilities here. Facilitate and drive the process to completion by following up on request from RMS consultants. So you can read out the nature of job actually. So this is a RMS consultant or RMS associate, RMS related job. This is okay. Now, also they are asking for some other skills, which is proficiency in MS Excel and Word. Also, you should be having good analytical thinking and ability to take decisions. Okay. Now, the educational qualifications they're asking is, you should be either having a post-graduation and freshers can apply. And if you're having a graduation, means any graduate with experience can apply. The experience they're asking is 0 to 2.5 years. Okay. So basically all postgraduates and graduates can apply, but graduates, they are mainly preferring persons with experience. But if you are having ME, Tech or MBA or any other post-graduation, then you need to be, that is freshers can also apply. Okay. So that is the requirements for the first post, which is Associate Analyst RMS Kochi. Okay. Next one. Next we are going to see the second job. Here again Associate Analyst is the post. Gurgaon is a location. Okay. Now the educational qualifications they are asking is a bachelor or master degree in business management will be preferred. Okay. A lot of people do ask me in the comment section regarding MBA related job, business related jobs. Okay. So please don't miss out. I'm going to be putting this in the thumbnail as well. Okay. So if you are having a business related studies or if you are from that background, you can apply here. And they're asking just 0 to 1 year of experience, bachelor's and master's, whichever post, whichever education is yours or whichever education you are having, 0 to 1 year experience only they are asking. Okay. The location is Gurgaon. Okay. So please don't miss out these openings. And I want to tell you another thing is that see, finding these jobs is not an easy task. It is very difficult. You have to go to each and every company site and you have to research, you have to look for the sites, you have to read out the notifications, educational qualifications and all. So finding of these jobs is not an easy task. Okay. And if you are finding the videos useful, please do give it a thumbs up and also please share it with your friends so that they also will get benefited. At least if you are not having the qualification or eligibility, at least your friend will get the benefit. Okay. So that is one request. Okay. Next. So these are the two posts for freshers. Just like this, you can also find many other fresher jobs. If you see this site, which is the career site of EY, okay, here I have given the location is India, and you can see that more than 2000 jobs is there for fresher candidates and also for experienced candidates. Many people are actually working in this company, and many of my friends are working in this company. So if you're interested, you can also try. Okay. And they have branches all around India. Okay. Now we know that because of this COVID situation, all the jobs will be work from home only. So you don't have to relocate or anything. But after the COVID situation has settled down, you may have to relocate to whichever branch you have selected. Okay. So this thing I say in all my videos because we know that all the IT companies and private firms nowadays functions from the home itself. So that will be the case here also. So you can actually see these jobs. You can explore the post. Okay. Now here, in order to apply, what you have to do is you have to click on this icon called apply now. And here you can see the date of posting. It is very recent update only. You can apply for it, or you can share, or you can sign up for the job alerts. Okay. So first you have to create a profile. Very clearly they have given you have to create a profile, which is my profile. Will be, if once you have created, you'll be seeing that, and you can go to the profile. If you have not created, first you have to create. Okay. So this is how you have to apply. Now talking about the selection process, the first two jobs I have shared is fresher updates, and for freshers there will be various stages of selection. First stage will be aptitude testing. The first job that we have discussed is mainly looking for aptitude skills, analytical thinking, problem solving skills. So aptitude test will be there for sure. Then there will be technical interview, and then there will be HR interview. Okay. Technical rounds will be mainly depending on the post whichever you are applying for. If they are asking for some coding skills, then there will be coding rounds. If you are applying, consider that you are an MBA candidate and you are applying for a business related job, then there will be that related questions, or that related rounds will be there. Okay. Then there will be HR interview. The salary and everything they will be discussing probably in the HR rounds. Okay. So that's all about the job updates from EY. Last date they have not mentioned. No IT companies mentioned their last date generally. Okay. So if you are interested, you have to apply for it as soon as possible. And if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. Also please support the channel, subscribe to it. It's free. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.